Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Excuse me, one, for all of the cars. There are a lot of cars driving by right now because it is the time of day where everybody gets off work. I just got home from being off work and the cars are in full effect. So I apologize. They are bothersome to me too, but I mean, I live in an apartment in a building on a street and unfortunately cars exist on streets. I don't know. Also, I know this video is coming to you very late in the month. I am also not happy about that. You know when I got my email saying it was on its way? December 2nd. December 2nd, and it was being shipped from Fontana. To give you a reference point, I drove from my house to Fontana last weekend, and it took me 1 hour. 1 hour, so 1 hour driving versus 3-ish weeks by USPS. Love it. But anyways, all of that is to say that this is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing, as I'm sure you could gather from the title and the thumbnail. If you're unfamiliar with what BoxyCharm is, I will link it down below in case you want to sign up, though I'm sure if you're here you are already signed up and you wanted spoilers, or if you're here you're probably just here because you like me, because you've probably seen all the spoilers and received your own box because it's now the end of the month, so I almost didn't even film this. But I was like, you know what, some people still like to watch them and some people just like to watch my videos, so that's why this is here. And I'll leave the link down below and all that info if you're so curious. But this month is an exciting one. Wait. This month isn't just a regular BoxyCharm, it is the December Boxyluxe, which I am very excited to get into because you know, if you know, you know that the Luxe is Luxe. So I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start being about it. Are you feeling what I'm touching? Are you catching what I'm throwing? Are you feeling what I'm fitting? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? If you are feeling and catching and touching all those things, make sure to give it a like if you would like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week and I would love to have you here. And I think it's time that we just go ahead and get into this box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me get into this big old Boxyluxe and give you some swatches and all that jazz, just keep on watching. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Okay, so this month the theme is BoxyCharm whimsy, like whimsical, like fairies and being outside and in the forest. And my coworker Shauna, she is whimsy. Anyway, I'm gonna set this aside because I want to be surprised with you. The first and most important thing that I'm seeing is a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, this box is like loaded actually. And a lot of it I haven't seen before. So let's just get into it. So the first thing I'm seeing is right here. This is from the brand Rituals and it's the Ritual of Sakara, and it is their foaming body gel. So like a body wash for in the shower, but it comes out like a foam, like a shaving cream. That is new. I wonder what the benefits of that are. I'm not sure, but it's not terribly expensive in terms of like BoxyCharm land. This retails for $9.50, and it says it smells that it's made with, that it smells like, and then it's made with. It says it's made with organic rice milk and cherry blossom, which sounds like it would smell amazing, like creamy cherry. I will leave down below if it is cruelty-free or not. If it's not cruelty-free, I'll be donating it. If it is cruelty-free, I'll be using it. So if that's a factor for you, check down below and I will let you know. Usually BoxyCharm is pretty good about including mostly cruelty-free items, which I love. The next thing in the box is from In Beauty, and it's their Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. It says you can use it under your makeup or on your skin, and that when you shake it, cool things happen with it. I like the packaging on this actually. Something about this branding speaks to me, and it is cruelty-free and vegan, which is good and something I look for. It says that it provides glow, hydration, and energizes the skin. Let me know if you've ever even heard of this brand. I've never seen this before in my life, but this retails for $32, and that is a lot of dollars. I hope the mister is any good. Let's check the mister, because that's kind of a make it or break it for me. I have been using, oh, you know which one I love? Oh my god. The Milk Makeup, it's like the Blur and Set one, the one that they're discontinuing. I recently tried and fell in love with, and now they're discontinuing it, so of course. I mean, I'll always love Urban Decay All Nighter, so I mean, if nothing else ever works, that will. But let's spray this. It looks like it's gonna smell good. It smells like citrusy, and it seems to have, oh! The mister on it seems pretty good, but there's like one aggressive sprayer right in the center. But cruelty-free vegan setting spray. Smells pretty good. Okay, the next thing in the box is from Saturday Skin, and it is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It's just a hydration cream for your skin. I'm not sure if they're cruelty-free, but I believe they are. Again, that'll be down below, but this retails for $39. So something like this I would probably use under makeup, because I use something more like heavy duty for at nighttime, but $39 is expensive, and it's something... Snacks! $1.99 snacks. Thank you, love.
Yeah.
One second. I'm aggressive. I want to eat them now. Hello, I love you. So how's my husband bringing me fruit snacks from the gas station? So I don't know what I was saying because I got distracted by my love, but this is probably a moisturizer I'd wear under my makeup because I use something more heavy duty at night. And again, this is a brand that I wouldn't normally pick up, so it's something that is great about these subscription boxes. You get you get full-size items to try that you might not otherwise try, and it helps you fall in love with new products. I know I have found things that I love and have repurchased from BoxyCharm. So. Okay, the next thing we have in the box is from Fresh, and it's their soy flat. My life. It is their soy face cleanser from Fresh. Now, Fresh is not cruelty-free. This was my favorite face wash before I switched to cruelty-free, but my mother-in-law loves this brand, so I'm going to re-gift it to her for Christmas. Like, this is her skincare brand. If it was Dr. Brandt, it would be going to my mother because it's her skincare brand. Like, I know that's another great thing about this subscription services. Especially with Christmas around the corner, taking things that you won't use and re-gifting them is great because this is a full-size face wash. This retails for weight. I should remember this, I don't. This retails for $48. That is a whole ass Christmas gift right there, and I know that she's gonna love it. So another great thing about these boxes, if you buy one box, you repurpose each thing. You have Christmas gifts for several people. So for the babe slash beauty slash bitch slash brat to my brats on a budget, let's use that from now on. It's a great idea. We got a lot of skincare in this box, huh? Wait. Oh, these bubbles are too big. No, they're not. That's less than half the stuff. Boxyluxe is so dope. It sucks that it's only a couple times a year. I know they have like a new tier, like Boxy Plus or Boxy something. I can't remember the name. But Boxyluxe is so good every time. Like, we've gotten through 4 products. We still have 5 more in the box, so. Okay, so the next thing from the box is from Too Faced, and it is their Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Suck It. And this retails for $21. Let's see what the shade looks like. I'm not really a liquid lipstick bitch anymore. I feel like that was a couple of years ago, but this shade is so pretty. These are actually the types of shades that I really like. So I will swatch it, but I'll probably end up giving it to a family member because I can't, man. I want something comfortable and plush and nice. I don't want my lips to feel dry. I'm a 31-year-old lady, and I'm way more about comfort and functionality over like fashion. I mean, if I'm going to like a show and I'm going to be out a while, I might, but probably not. I'd much rather just be comfortable. But man, that is a pretty shade. And that is Suck It. Okay, the next item is from Kat Von D Cosmedix. It retails for $20 and it's across the room over there. And it is the Dagger tattoo liner. I did see advertisements for this, but I never picked it up. I haven't actually used her liquid liner in a while because I've just found that hers was like the bitch on the market, but then so much stuff has come out, like the NYX Epic Ink Liner, that high-end liquid liner doesn't feel as important to me. It's in the shade Trooper. It's black. So it's just got this little like dagger. Like, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but it's shaped like flat. Maybe not. And let's give it a swish. That seems pretty black, pretty good. Like, it'd be easy to use. Do people still hate Kat Von D? I know there was a second where like everyone in the world was hating her. I personally could give a shit less. I'm kind of that person. Like, I just don't care. So never hated her, never liked her one way or the other. Don't know her, didn't care what she was doing. Do you, don't do you. Be mad at her, don't be mad at her. Literally, everyone can do whatever they want in their lives. I don't care. I just stopped buying it because it was expensive, and I found something for $6 that works just as well. But that I would be happy to have, and I'd be happy to use if I ever use liquid liner again. This is done with eyeshadow because shaky old lady hands, and I can't see with my 31-year-old eyes, so it's just like a whole thing. But seems like it'd be a good thing to have. It's got a nice little brush tip. And I know that she's vegan and cruelty-free, or at least cruelty-free for sure. I think she's vegan also. But if you don't like her, don't use it. Give it to somebody else. Throw it in the trash. I don't care. Okay, the next thing in the box is from a brand called Cosmedix. It says clean, clinical, and luxurious. And I actually have no idea what this is, so I'd imagine by the shape maybe it's brushes. Let's see. Oh! Oh yeah! Wait. So this retails for $69, and it's one of those face rollers that Tati uses. You're supposed to roll your cheeks up, and you are supposed to look like a sweet baby angel, and like an infant, and like who's ageless? Keanu Reeves. This is like one of the most bougie things ever, but like it feels really nice. But $69, I would never. I would never. But again, good thing about subscription services is like I would never. But I'm glad to have it because I can sit on my couch and just kind of do this while my husband plays video games and try to be an immortal vampire Keanu Reeves type. Okay, we're down to 2 more items. Two times. So the next item and the second to last item in the box is from Ciaté London, and it is their Confetti highlighter. I haven't even seen a variation of the box that had this. I kept seeing like illuminating blushes, so this is pretty exciting because either way I would have been happy. I love highlighter, I love blush, so let's see what the shade looks like. And I'm 99.999% sure that Ciaté London is cruelty free, so that's good for me. Okay, so here's the packaging. It just feels like a lightweight plastic. And that is the shade right there. That might be too dark for me. Let's give it a, that's crazy. Do you see like the little like beads in it? That might be too dark. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna be too dark for me. Ooh, the shine on it is nice though. Do I know anyone tanner than I? Like, ooh, that's pretty. Maybe I could sheer out and wear it. I might be able to sheer it out and wear it, and if not, like I do know a couple people at my office. Ooh, that's really, really, really pretty. And that retails for $32. It is a little tan for me right now, but like it's also winter. So maybe one day I could be that tan, but probably not. But I do think it's really cool looking. Like I really like the way the product looks inside the packaging. And you know, they're not all gonna be winners. It might not work on me, but you know what? I'm gonna use every single one of those other products except for that melted matte lipstick. So I think I'm still coming out on top, and we still got one more big boy in the box. So let's get into her. So the last thing in the box retails for $55, and it is from Storybook Cosmetics, which have you, okay. If you are not familiar with this brand, they are so cute. If you ever saw, my video and review on this bad boy right here, the Burn Book eyeshadow palette, it's from the same brand. So this is their thing. They make palettes and things based on books and movies and TV shows. And my husband bought this for me like 2 Christmases ago because he's a sweet baby angel that I love so much. And this is Little Briar Rose, which is, if you do not know, Sleeping Beauty story, if I remember correctly. And it looks like there's little pages on the back, and then you open it up, and it is an eyeshadow palette. How freaking cute is this? Look at that. It's got like the font like a storybook, and then it's got a mirror on the other side, and it says, "Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale." Maybe for some of us. I'm just kidding, my life's great. So let me give you some swatches of a couple of the shades that look remarkable. Oh, and you can fold it all the way back like this too, by the way. Is the package like a little bulky? Sure, but this is a display piece. This isn't like a throwaway with all the other ones. My other one is sitting on my desk, so. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna swatch Prince and Kiss, and which one would you guys want? Probably Talia. Ooh, that one feels nice and creamy. And maybe Fairies. So let's give the swatches of those 4. Fairies. Ooh. Prince. Pretty. Kiss. It's a little less pigmented than I thought. And then Talia. Ooh, that is pretty. These are bad swatches for me. Actually, all swatches for me are bad swatches for me, let's be real. But those are 4 of the shades right there. It's a pretty palette. Let me know if you'd like to see a standalone video on this. I think I could do a really pretty look with it. Yeah, I think I could. I might end up giving it to my sister though. So let me know down below if you'd want to see a look, but I feel like my little sister would really like this because like the fairy tale, wizards, that whole genre of like fantasy is her thing, not so much my thing. If this was a book of horror things, or like the book of from that Evil Dead, where you read the Latin and then all the demons, me maybe, but this is more my sister's speed. So I'm gonna see if she would like it. Unless you guys really want to see a video, then maybe I'll do a video and then give it to her. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me know down below. My fingers are stained. Okay guys, that's everything I got in the box this month, and the overall retail value was $325.50. $325.50, and I'm pretty sure Boxyluxe is just $50, right? Every season? 3 times a year, 4 times a year? It's $50 though. For all these items, it was $50. Again, in case you, for those in the back, for $50, all these items. So again, if you would like to sign up, I will have the link to BoxyCharm down below. This sounds hella sponsored, but no one knows I exist, so we good. Speaking of this, if you liked what you saw, please give it a like if you would like. So I would like to know what you like, and if you'd like to follow me on my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. Briar is for my makeup Instagram and my Twitter. And if you want to watch me on my journey to lose 100 pounds, where I'm at like 75 lost right now, Fatterstein for all of your weight loss content needs. And anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, especially if you're here when I put this up, because I know like there's not interest anymore because of how late the video came, but if you're here, you're the real one. So put some sort of, what's the code word gonna be? Santa. Because it's Christmas in like a week. In like a week, it's Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So put the word Santa down below if you made it to the end, because you're the real one. What's up? And that is going to be it. Thanks you for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere else in the world, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.